If you like mandarins, you will definitely be surprised. Don't throw away their peels. They come in handy. You'll see why in a moment. The next time you peel mandarins, collect their peels. In mandarin peels, as well as in other citrus fruits, you'll find D-limonene. It's what gives citrus fruits their lovely fragrance. Transfer the peels to a jar and cover them with vinegar. Seal the jar and place it in a dark spot. Strain the mandarin vinegar and pour it into a spray bottle. This mandarin-infused vinegar is a true gem. It's natural, smells delightful, and has a pleasant, slightly orange color. The compounds from the mandarin peels have blended with the vinegar. In this way, you've created a unique and eco-friendly surface. Cleaner. D-limonene from mandarin peels and vinegar work wonders in removing dust and dirt. You can use this solution to wipe down countertops and tables. It's also effective for cleaning an induction cooktop, leaving no traces or streaks. Surfaces cleaned with it are both pristine and shiny. If you use it to clean your shower glass, it will sparkle and smell fresh. This solution is perfect for washing the sink, eliminating soap scum, and disinfecting the surface. Feel free to use it to clean the toilet as well. Mold has appeared in your house? You can quickly remove it with a super effective spray. This homemade product always works. Thanks to it, many people got rid of mold once and for all. Today I will show you the recipe for this spray. Before you use it, let me tell you one more thing. Or rather, the hidden function of one thing. If you do not ventilate your apartment, the lack of air circulation favors the development of mold and fungi. If you don't have air vents, unseal the windows. The handle in most plastic windows has an additional function. In addition to opening and tilting the window, you can unseal it. Position the handle diagonally, at an angle. Additionally, always turn on the absorber when cooking. Then steam will not settle on the walls and ceiling in the kitchen. However, the most important thing is always good air circulation in the bathroom. This is where you most often need to remove mold from tiles, in the shower or bathtub. Many people have to use home spray in the bathroom. To prepare it, prepare 3 products. The first is vinegar. It has long been successfully used to combat mold and fungi. The second product is hydrogen peroxide. You can buy it at any pharmacy. It also effectively removes mold. However, vinegar combined with hydrogen peroxide becomes much more powerful. Use them in equal amounts. Pour the mixture into a large or small bottle and spray it on the mold areas. Add a dozen or so drops of tea tree oil to them. Now, no mold has a chance. Leave the preparation on the mold for several days. Then, wash off any mold remnants. Be sure to throw away the cloths and brushes you used to clean and remove mold, and that's it. If you did everything correctly, the mold will disappear. From now on, you will always know how to remove it. When I discovered this method, there are no more flies, ants, or cockroaches in my house. I got rid of them effectively and without harmful chemicals. Pour 300 milliliters of water into a frying pan. Prepare 2 tablespoons of cloves. They must be whole. Their use in repelling pests is brilliant. Throw them into the water and heat the whole thing. A decoction should be formed. When the water changes color and a pleasant scent begins to pervade the house, we move on to the next step. Sprinkle baking soda onto the pan. 2 tablespoons are enough. It will react with the decoction and start fizzing. Add small amounts so that the substance does not overflow from the pan. Stir until it disappears. Let us know in the comments from which location you are watching us. I'm sure this one mixture will help you get rid of pests from your home once and for all. Pour it into a spray bottle. I used a funnel for this. Put a few bay leaves into the bottle. Their intense smell repels pests. Just insert them into the previously prepared mixture to enhance its effectiveness. Such a spray can last up to 2 months. Since I've been living in the countryside, I always have it on hand. I was fed up with pests that had infested my house. It turned out that just by spraying this spray on the front door, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills, insects avoid the house like the plague. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in the kitchen for several months. This natural recipe is safe for pets and children. A simple and inexpensive insect repellent made from hair shampoo. Safe to use at home and directly on the skin. Finally, you'll bid farewell to annoying insects trying to invade your spaces. And all thanks to a quick homemade recipe created from just 3 simple household ingredients. It will protect you and your loved ones from mosquito bites and irritations without harmful chemicals, and your pets from irritating bugs like fleas and ticks. You'll be able to enjoy pleasant outdoor walks without worrying about bites. This repellent works on flies, gnats, ticks, and mosquitoes. To prepare this homemade mixture, first measure about half a measure or half a cup of any shampoo. It can be any hair shampoo, whatever you have at home. Pour it into a container. Pour the same amount of regular vinegar into the same measure. You surely know that vinegar is irritating to all insects, but combined with shampoo, it doesn't have such an unpleasant smell for humans. It's also safe to use on the skin because of it. Add the last ingredient. Pour half a measure of ordinary vegetable oil. Mix all the ingredients slowly to prevent foaming. Pour the preparation into a clean spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply the repellent. Remember, it's safe for the skin. Use the mixture in places where insects are most common indoors. Also, spray the balcony, terrace, and entrance to the house. Insects will no longer be a problem.
Plumbers don't want you to know this recipe. I sprayed the toilet with it, and I no longer have sewage problems. Don't throw citrus peels in the trash. It turns out they are a priceless ingredient. Chop them into smaller pieces and put them in a blender. Blend into a fine paste. They have cleansing properties. Then strain it through a sieve. Press it with a spoon to extract the juice. This is what we need. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to it. Then add 3 tablespoons of liquid soap and a tablespoon of salt. The next ingredient is alcohol. Add 3 tablespoons of it. When all these ingredients are combined, they create a truly effective mixture. Prepare a spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into it. This prepared mixture is invaluable for sewer maintenance. It removes deposits and scale. This product can remove yellow stains from plastic toilet parts. It takes care of unclogging sewer pipes. It prevents the accumulation of deposits in their internal parts. It is also great for cleaning bathroom ceramics. The salt and soda in its composition disinfect. Citrus fruits whiten the surface. The bathroom is clean and fragrant. The sewer works efficiently, and you avoid exposure to toxic chemicals.
Add salt to the dishwashing liquid. You definitely haven't tried this method yet. The results are amazing. You'll surely want to try this method at home right away. Measure 200 milliliters of dishwashing liquid and pour it into a container. It can be any liquid you use at home. Add 2 large tablespoons of salt. Salt is not just a seasoning, it is also a valuable agent for fighting dirt, deposits, and burnt residues. Also, add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda not only cleans, but also disinfects. Finally, pour in 200 milliliters of water. Mix all the ingredients. When everything is mixed, pour the mixture into a bottle. Use a funnel for this. A bottle with a spout from any beverage works best. The mixture has its unique properties. Salt and soda added to the dishwashing liquid turn it into a super liquid. I mostly use it in the kitchen. When the bottoms of pots get slightly burnt and dirty, I use this liquid. This product will deal with them perfectly. It's perfect for that. You don't have to use a lot of it. The dishes will be clean and shiny. It's an inexpensive and simple recipe, but incredibly effective. Try it at home, and you'll quickly see for yourself.